The Arctic Tern travels over 59,000 miles every single year, seeing more daylight than any creature on Earth. This small bird weighs less than a deck of cards, but flies from Arctic to Antarctic and back again, chasing endless summer. During migration, they barely sleep, catching quick naps while gliding on air currents over the open ocean. Their wings slice through storms and calm seas alike. Guided by an internal compass scientists still don't fully understand. These tireless travelers live up to 30 years, meaning one bird can fly the equivalent of 3 round trips to the moon in its lifetime. Follow Critterbits for more fascinating bird discoveries.